Hi guys, today I will teach you how to do.
Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck.
Just kidding. For today's video, I will teach you how to create straight through cable. The tools you need are crimper, cable stripper, RJ45 connector, cable tester, and UTP cable, and also baligsingkong patience.
Oh my God! Wow!
First, strip your cable. Use stripper tool to strip the skin of your cable. Then, untwist all the twisted pair wires. Now, we are going to align the untwisted wires in the order necessary for our needs. Wait, nadyo'y magpapansin.
Why are you gay?
In aligning the wire, let's follow the color sequence. First, white green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, then brown.
Years later.
After that, cut the extra wires. Push the remaining wires into the RJ45 head. Just joking, just double check that the wires are all in the way up into the gold pins. Then use the crimping tools to crimp it. Lastly, use your cable tester, and if it lights up from 1 down to 8, it is good to go.